And that is why you need a speed reducer, so you can go around these curves very carefully. So when you get an industrial machine, make sure that you have the dealer you're buying it from add a speed reducer to it. So you're going to have a servo motor and a speed reducer, so you can go around the corners very slowly, as if you have a domestic machine. Because industrial machines, their motors are different than domestic machines. So I hope you enjoyed that little demo I just did. So yeah, that's why you need a speed reducer.